Hello guys, welcome to my another video of problem solution in HackerRank. So now this problem is about checking the subset. So let's try to understand the problem first, then we will go to our coding section. You are given two sets A and B. Your job is to find whether set A is a subset of set B. So first, what we need to understand is that what is subset and how to determine whether a particular set is a subset or not. So to clarify this concept, I'll show you this particular example where you can see this says set A is 1 2 3 5 6, set B is 9 8 5 6 3 2 1 4 7. So here we can say that set A is a subset of set B since all the elements of set A is present inside set B. So you can see that this one is present here, this two is present here likewise. Now let's come to our problem section. So problem is that, let's go to input format. Yeah, here the problem is that you have to check the consecutive test cases. Like the first line will contain the number of test case t. The first line of each test case contains of number of elements in set A. The second line of each test case contains the space separated elements of a set A. The third line of each test case contains the number of elements in set B. The fourth line in each test case contains the space separated elements of set B. So this is a bit for me, this is a bit confusing what it wants to say. So I'll come out over here and try see the sample input. See here three they have given. So first three is denoting that how many test cases we are going to test. So three means there will be three test cases. So three time it will take the input from the user about set A and set B, and it will check the three times result and return you the output, whether it is true or false. So see, first three, that means three, there will be three test cases. Then five means the number of element in the first set will be five. See, one, two, three, four, five, six, these are five elements. Then nine means the number of elements in the second set is nine. So you, if you count these numbers, then you will find the total number of elements are 9. It's like it is going on. So second, in the second case, the number of, I mean, the number of elements in the set A will be 1. So as you can see that 2, only one element. Then for set B, the number of elements will be 5. You can see 3 6 5 4 1. This is set B. So like it is checking. So basically the logic should be that three times it will take the input from the user and it will return whether it is subset or not according to that. So see, for that, first we need to initialize, or we need to store this three or take this three as an input from the user. So what I have done, I have initialized a variable here. It will be taking the input from the user, like how many test cases it will test. Next, for taking the input from the user, we have to create a loop, we have to run the loop. So if it is three times, if it is three, if the value of k is 3, then three times it is going to take the input from the user. So that is the reason I have written a for loop over here. For I in range 0 to k, a is the input, that is how many elements in the first set will be a1. I have given the name as the for the first set. Similarly, b is the name of the elements, I mean b will denote the number of elements in the next set. and B1 is the set number 2. And then I have used a simple condition checking. If it is the subset, then it will print true, and if it is not, else it will print false. So let's check the run the code. Let's see whether it passed all the test cases. Yeah, so sample test case is passed. Now we will submit the code, and let's check whether it clears all the test cases. Yeah, it clears all the test cases. So this is the solution of this particular problem. Thank you very much.